Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video. So today, Jason Clark is going to be taking over. He's doing work on my car, he's doing the fueling and the exhaust. But before we get to that, a few little things for you guys to know. I'm doing the Assetto Corsa live stream, which is drifting on a simulator. You guys seem to be enjoying that, so we're going to carry on. We're still doing weekly videos, and I've also got my website sorted, which is maxcotton.co.uk. The link will be in the description. And we're also doing a competition on Facebook, so you guys can win some more cool stuff. Anyway, over to Jason.
Hello, I'm Jason Clark from Clark Customs. You're probably used to a much younger person doing these videos. Unfortunately, due to the COVID outbreak and everyone being on lockdown, he's not able to come visit the workshop and give you guys updates on progress. So I'm going to try and take over and give you a bit of content. So this week, the main objective is on the time spent on Max's. I'm going to focus on getting the exhaust system done and sorted and the fuel system in. There's a few other jobs that I'm going to try and get done as well, but just going to show you guys a bit of the work that goes into these cars, and yeah, hope you enjoy it. Right, so the exhaust, you saw me make some of the parts on the bench. So everything is assembled now and it's all tacked up in place. So we ended up going for a 3.5 inch out the bumper. I'll just walk you through it. All the hangers and everything's tacked in. So we've got a full 3.5 inch system that runs the length of the car, merges from a twin 3-inch system to a single 3.5, so we've got plenty of flow, and then it joins onto the manifolds, the 2 V-bands. So that is one exhaust tacked up. Now I'm going to pull it off again and fully weld it, throw it back on. Job's a good one. So the exhaust is all welded up and ready to try back on the car. I'll quickly show you that. So this is the system all welded up with a lambda bung. The hangers on ready and the V-band. So now that's all that's done. Thought I'd talk to you about the fuel system that's in. So what we've done is we've dropped it through the floor and created this jacking point, which is made out of roll cage tubing, so that it's a lot closer to the back than the diff is, what a lot of people would use the jack from. What we've also done is included some smaller gauge tube, a sort of cage around, so if for any reason it does go off-roading, it's not going to cause any damage to the fuel system. These are very good protection tanks because they're a bladder inside rather than being just the metal. So the metal's there to protect the bladder from being pierced by anything. So it's very unlikely that he's going to cause anything to leak unless he has a very bad crash, which no one wants. But this should be a super safe way for him to run with a load of fuel. So this is the top of the fuel tank as it's fitted now. It has got a riser installed just to bring it a bit higher from the floor, which is this aluminium part here. So the fuel tank sits into this riser and that bolts to the floor, which you probably saw from the previous pictures in videos that there's a big hole in the floor for it to go through. So the fuel quite simply comes out on this pipe, goes through the filter, down that one to the engine, then it comes back into the return, which fills the internal swirl pot. And this is for the remote filler that is on my to-do list, which will be somewhere that makes it easier to fill up. So that's been this week on Max's car. It's not the normal content you're used to, and I'm not much of a videographer, but it's the last of the main jobs, well, the main fabrication jobs done. So what you should start seeing now is the assembly of the front end, all the intake, all the quick and easy jobs, which I tend to leave till last. And then the last major job is the car wiring loom. Now I've got a really nice Haltech plug-in engine loom, which should simplify everything. And then I just need to power the fans, the fuel pumps, and all the other small accessories that drift cars need to run. But I'll take it back to Max and see you in future.
Okay, thanks for that, Jason. That looks absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to see it in person. So anyway, guys, remember, look on the website. We're doing the Assetto Corsa live streams, still doing weekly videos, and also we are doing a competition. So anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed. Update soon. Bye.